you know why the best athletes win an Olympic gold medal? It's not because they're much stronger. It's because they work harder, are single-minded, and they never, ever quit. The only way you fail is if you quit. And we never quit. In the past 5 years, we've been doing exactly what we promised when we started. And that's super boosting your business and dominating the DeFi sphere. You and all members around the world now have the opportunity to exchange whatever bonus system you have for the powerful C1 token. Together, we're going to change this industry.
Yes, Miss Christine Lopez, Miss Erica, Miss Gigi Tatoy, Miss Clemenia Trinidad, Miss Judith Saruda, and Miss Shia Padchar. Tama po ba yun ang sans ko? Ayan po. Meron na po tayong link sa ating Facebook, no? Pakisend na lang po ninyo sa inyong group chat o sa mga friends na para naman po makita nila yung ating webinar ngayong gabi at maka-join po sila.
Okay, we're live on Facebook. Nandiyan na po sa chat box natin yung ating link so you can start sharing them to your group chats or directly to anyone na gusto yung i-share itong best opportunity natin, no? Makapag-hook up sila sa live stream natin. Alright, sige po, i-mute ko na po kayong lahat.
Ano?
You are all now muted, no? During the presentation, we will not be entertaining any questions, pero meron po tayong dedicated time by the end of the presentation. No? We will entertain any questions you may have, and we will try our best to answer everything. No? Pero kung di namin masagot, don't worry, i-research po namin yung kasagutan dyan and babalikan po namin kayo. No? So wag na natin patagalin. Alam ko po na excited kayo, tulad ng excitement namin. At by the end of the presentation, gusto namin lahat tayo, no? Super excited na about this business opportunity. So pakilala natin yung ating host for today. It's a privilege and honor to be presenting this business opportunity alongside with this ito pong ating tita, no? Siya po ay based sa Sydney, Australia. Very loyal and very faithful dito sa negosyo natin. That's why she's getting all the blessings about this business opportunity, no? Siya po ay manager level dito sa negosyo natin. Wala pong iba, no? Kung ang tinatawag natin Tita Glo, si Miss Gloria Herrera Quinzel.
Ayan, maraming salamat po, Sir Paul. Ayan, I'm honored to be part of our webinar ngayon, araw na to. So, welcome po lahat na nandito ngayon. Sana po makinig kayo at ma-i-explain po ninyong mabuti sa mga friends ninyo para naman po katulad po ni Ma'am Marciana na nandyan po siya at na from other team pero iisa lang po ang team natin, unit team. Ayan, di po ba? So, maraming salamat again, Mr. Paul de Guzman. Ngayon po, dahil ang business po natin ay internationally worldwide, kaya po lahat po tayo nasa iba-ibang dako ng mundo. Meron po sa Pilipinas, sa Australia, sa Sydney, sa Europe. Kaya po ang business natin ay napakaganda. Maraming salamat po at nabigyan tayo ng opportunity na magagawa po natin ito, no? Ngayon po ay pakikilala ko na po sa inyo ang ating napakagiting na leader. Ngayong siya po ang magpipresent ng ating webinar. Siya po ang mag-explain lahat ng ating C1. So, siya po ay nakatira sa kasalukuyan. Nakatira po siya sa London. He is presently living in London for 21 years na po, and a nurse by profession. He is the founder of Triber's Legacy, a great leader, a great mentor, and I'm really proud to have him as our leader ngayon po, lalong-lalo na ngayon, no? Married and a father of 3 children, a former business owner and entrepreneur. Without further ado, please help me welcome our Director 1-Star, Mr. Paul De Guzman. Pakipalakpak naman po dyan. Thank you so much po, Sir Paul. The floor is yours po.
Hindi ko po marinig yung palakpak. Good morning, everyone. Maraming salamat po, Tita Glo, no? Again, it's always a pleasure and honor to be presenting this business alongside with you. Kahit short notice, no, nasabihan natin si Tita Glo last night and she agreed automatically to do the hosting for today. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng nandito sa room natin, no. I hope I can give you something to be excited about, no. By the end of our presentation, meron akong mapabaon sa inyo na something to ponder about, no, tonight. Siguro isipin niyo to. Isipin nyo kung para sa inyo ba itong negosyo na to, no? Pero wag na kayo masyadong mag-isip-isip, no? Kasi napakasimple lang naman itong negosyo natin, very affordable for everybody. Kaya ang philosophy ko kasi sa buhay, no, pagka merong opportunity na sa tingin ko merong kahit slight possibility na mag-succeed ako dyan, no, I will grab it by the neck, no? Hindi na ako magpapatumpik-tumpik pa. So sana maintindihan nyo lahat ng ipapakita ko sa inyo. Just a brief background of myself. Pumasok po ako dito sa negosyo na to sometime in 2020, kasagsagan ng ating pandemic crisis, no? So who would believe na merong negosyo na magpa-prosper during the pandemic, no? I was very reluctant nung pumasok ko dito, no? I was invited by a friend of mine from the Philippines. Sabi ko, ano namang negosyo ang magsasucceed ngayon, no, na may pandemic, no, lahat ng tao nakalock sa bahay, no. Pero when I heard the webinar, I was on that side of the presentation. Tulad nyo, nakinig po ako doon sa presenter, nalaban ko that this is something that I can do at the comfort of my own home, no. So doon medyo nag-click sa akin na ito pala yung opportunity na pwedeng gawin during the pandemic crisis. And the rest is history. I'm now a Director 1-Star dito. Ibig sabihin, kumita na rin po ng malaki-laki dito sa negosyo na to. While doing my present job, yun po yung kagandahan dito, no? You don't have to do this on a full-time basis. I'm still practicing as a nurse dito sa UK, no? So nakakapag-practice pa rin po tayo. Okay, so simulan na natin. Pakinggan po nating mabuti dahil ayoko pong ma-miss out ninyo yung mga information that will enable you to understand the potential of this business opportunity. Okay? So once again, welcome po sa ating business presentation. Yung nakikita nyo pong pictures ng 4 na elements sa harapin niyo, tandaan nyo po yan dahil yan po magiging susi nyo for your success in this business opportunity. Gusto niyo po ba ng negosyo na pwede niyong gawin kahit saan, pwede niyong gawin kahit kailan, at pwedeng gawin ng kahit sino, no? Wala pong requirement dito ng mga diploma or any educational qualification. Gusto niyo ba ng negosyo na hindi mo kailangan ng malaking kapital, maliit na puhunan lang, pwede mo nang simulan yung negosyo at kumita ka ng mas malaki pa sa kinikita mo sa iyong full-time job? Gusto mo ba ng negosyo na pwede kang kumita ng euros, pwede kang kumita ng NFT, pwede kang kumita ng Bitcoin o yung cryptocurrency, no? Kahit nasaang parte ng mundo ka, kahit nasa Pilipinas ka. Or gusto mo bang ng negosyo na pwede kang kumita habang naglalaro ka at pwede kang kumita habang natutulog ka? Mamaya papaliwanag natin lahat yan. Or gusto mo rin ba ng negosyo na pwede mo ipamana, no, sa iyong mga anak, sa iyong mga apo, no, or even to the next generation? At gusto mo rin ba ng negosyo na ang tanging kailangan mo lang para patakbuhin ng negosyo na yon ay isang bagay na meron na kayong lahat, no? Ang ating pong mobile phone, the powerful gadget na pinagkakaubusan natin ng oras, di ba? Ang question, nauubos ang oras natin sa kadudot sa ating mga telepono. Ang tanong, kayo po ba'y kumikita? Kung hindi ang sagot nyo, ito po yung araw na matututunan nyo kung paano kayo kikita habang nagdududot-dot dyan sa inyong mga mobile phone. Interesting po ba yan? Type 1 po sa chat box natin, no? If you are now ready to look at this business opportunity. Ang hinihiling ko lang po sa inyo, buksan po natin ang ating mga isipan dahil tulad po ng parachute, ang ating pong isip, it works best when it is open. Siyempre nga naman, pag ang parachute, tumalong ka, hindi bumukas, di ba? Patay kang bata ka. Pero pag bukas po ang isipan natin, natututo tayo ng mga bagong skills, nakakakita tayo ng mga bagong options sa buhay, at yung mga opportunity na dumadating sa harapan natin, na-appreciate natin, no? Naiintindihan natin at na-realize natin na kaya pala natin gumawa ng mga bagay na akala natin hindi natin linya before, di ba? Sabi nga ng mga pinaka-successful at pinakamayaman na tao sa mundo, karaniwan daw na naghihiwalay sa atin at sa mga magagandang bagay na gusto natin sa buhay, yung willingness natin to change your mindset, no? Matigas ang ulo, ayaw magbago ng pananaw sa buhay, no? Hirap na sa buhay, tinutuloy pa rin yung kanilang ginagawa, no? Lalong naghihirap hanggang sa makapag-retired na by the age of 65, hirap pa rin, no? Biro mo, magtatrabaho tayo ng 30 to 40 years tapos wala din pala mangyayari, no? So we have to be open with this kind of opportunity. Malay mo, ito na yung opportunity na magbibigay ng breakthrough sa buhay mo. Matagal mo nang hinihintay, matagal mo nang pinagdadasal, di ba? Kaya makinig po tayong mabuti. So, para maintindihan po natin, no? Hindi na po ako magkukwento ng mahaba. I will just show you a 4-minute video na magpapakilala sa inyo kung ano ba itong kumpanya na to, ano ba yung mga produkto at serbisyo nitong ating negosyo at kung paano ba, no, tayo kikita. Overview lang, tapos papaliwanag ko po mamaya pagbalik ko, no? Panoorin po natin mabuti itong video na to. I also suggest to put your volume up para marinig po natin lahat, no? Mas malakas, mas maganda po, okay? So here's the video and I will see you again later on after the video.
Welcome to our 4-minute presentation about C1. Firstly, I would like to remind you about our disclaimer. We are not an investment company or a trading company or a cryptocurrency company. With us, you take full responsibility for your own financial situation. Now, let's get into a brief overview. What is C1 and what is our company's mission? You may have heard of big names like Alibaba or Amazon, and today I will use them as examples to help you understand what we are doing. I will also reference other popular companies like Uber and Booking.com. What do all these platforms have in common? They all require customers to be successful, and they use various methods to attract them, such as advertising on Google, TV, magazines, and billboards. Customers are incentivized by these platforms to buy products or services, resulting in revenue for the company. For instance, when a customer orders an Uber, the company earns a commission while the driver receives the rest of the fare. Similarly, Booking.com takes a cut when a customer books a hotel through their platform. These businesses operate as referral platforms, providing other companies with a channel to sell their products without actually owning the products themselves. Uber doesn't own any taxis, and Booking.com doesn't own any hotels. In essence, the main goal is simply to refer customers to the products and service providers. Now we've arrived at C1. What is C1? C1 is actively using the network industry, also known as referral system, in order to build our own crowd. In other words, we are building a huge customer base. How do we do this? By network marketing. Why? It's the best, easiest, and most cost-efficient way to reach customers while enabling other businesses to make money. Meanwhile, C1 has 50-plus million members in 150-plus countries united in the last 4 years. C1 offers a range of products and services, including our own travel agency, Travelia, similar to Booking.com. Customers can book hotels and vacations at great prices and even earn benefits from the hotel's reward program. Moreover, C1 is not just a travel agency, but also an educational platform. While basic education is necessary, investing in supplemental education and knowledge outside of traditional schooling is crucial for making real money. We offer 2 education platforms, Tigra, which includes a crypto academy where you can learn about trends, trading, and blockchain, and Mindo, which provides knowledge in multiple languages for both personal and business development. You can even offer your own knowledge to other C1 members. In addition to education, we also have the Metaverse Trade to Earn game, where you can learn to trade in a virtual world and earn real money. Planet IX is our top game on the Polygon blockchain, with thousands of active players building a better world and making extra money. Lastly, we have Emperor Night, a state-of-the-art game similar to Candy Crush, where you can earn shares and millions of gamers are waiting for the opportunity to share to earn. Our platform presents a unique opportunity for our customers and members to access everything they desire in one place. You can conveniently book your hotel from the comfort of your own office, participate in educational programs, and play to earn all through C1. Moreover, the profit earned by C1 is not entirely for the company itself. It is directed back to the C1 system, which is designed to benefit active members. That's not all. Our company is soon launching its own token, the C1 token. All active C1 members will receive free access to these tokens. This token will not only have value through our existing ecosystem with over 50 million members, but it will also have usability through our products. We have created a token value pool with IXT tokens and are adding more value through our product's profits to this pool. This token launch is unprecedented and sets a new standard in the industry. At C1, we are using past referral platforms in the industry as blueprints to create something bigger. We are offering the best compensation plan in the industry with multiple income opportunities, including a huge residual income. Our company is dedicated to providing not only the best products and services, but also real benefits to our customers and members that can improve their daily lives. This is C1.
Ayun, no? Very simple, no? In 4 minutes time, nakilala natin yung company, nakita natin yung mga products and services, no? At nakita natin kung paano tayo kikita dito sa negosyo na to, no? In simpler words, ganito lang yun, no? Affiliate tayo, partner tayo ng company. Yung company, merong malaking platform, ginagamit ng iba't ibang company, no? Para ma-distribute o mabenta yung kanilang mga produkto at serbisyo. At dun sa kikitain ng company, meron tayong share dyan, no? Dahil sinishare ng company yung profit niya. Dahil tayo yung isa sa mga katuwang niya, no, sa pagdidistribute nitong products and services na to. Now, let's look at the powerful products and services ng ating company. Unahin natin itong ating mga gaming platforms. No? Sabi ko kanina, dito sa negosyo na to, pwede kang kumita habang naglalaro ka. No? We have two huge gaming platforms dito, yung tinatawag na Planet IX tsaka yung Metaverse. Si Planet IX is now already being played by hundreds of thousands of people already. In fact, in less than 2 years, tayo na po ang #1 na Polygon blockchain-based strategy game in the world. No? Nabit natin lahat ng competition. Yung Metaverse naman, on the other hand, is nasa pre-launching stage. Malapit na po nating malaro yan. Both of them are virtual trading gaming platform. No? Ang objective sa Planet IX, magbenta, bumili, magbenta at mag-trade ng mga NFT, ng mga real estate property, no? At iba't iba pa mga digital assets. Sa Metaverse naman, the same, no? Pwede kang bumili, magbenta at mag-trade. This time, ng mga virtual stocks sa mga virtual companies that are only existing in the Metaverse. For you to understand these two, magpapakita po ako sa inyo ng back-to-back videos, no? That will show you what Planet IX and Metaverse is all about. Okay? So, sit back and relax again and pump up your volume, no?
The year is 450 after Earth. Agents of change have unknowingly returned to their former home. They call it Planet IX, a world destroyed, full of ancient ruins and wastelands. Their mission is simple: restore, rebuild, and resurrect. Planet IX is an NFT-based strategy game, offering a fun and challenging path to earn rewards in the game's own currency, IX token. The game went on-chain in November 2021 and has since experienced strong growth. Planet IX is currently ranked as a leading game across all blockchains, with more than 100,000 wallets connected daily and over 220,000 wallets holding IXT. The game consists of 4 hubs, all integrated to create a dynamic user experience catering to a broad audience. Trade and build. Planet IX is a digital rendition of Earth, divided into 1.7 billion hexagons called PIX, each one a tradable NFT. Collect PIX with the aim to form territories, by connecting a number of adjacent picks on the map. As territories unlocks IXT rewards. Picks can be acquired directly on Planet IX's own marketplace or in special packs. In Marketplace, you may also trade other in-game assets. Assets to be used strategically in the part of the game called Mission Control. Farm and play to earn. In Mission Control, you can monetize your assets when placing picks on land tiles. The tiles will start producing waste, which can be collected either manually or through time-saving technology like drones and rovers. In Planet IX, waste serves as a valuable resource that can be converted to consumable assets, which are needed to build facilities. Facilities produce energy, the ultimate asset in Mission Control, as energy can be spent on exclusive packs or staked for IXT rewards. All in-game assets are NFTs that you own and monetize. This is Planet IX's free-to-play and play-to-earn mechanic. Staking and DeFi. As you start building territories or producing energy, you can head over to IX Foundation, Planet IX's GameFi platform. Here you may lock up your collected assets to earn IXT. IX Foundation also offers staking rewards for staking IXT, as well as providing liquidity, creating a natural landing page for anyone who owns or is interested in IXT, gamer or not. Gaming and esports. Whether you want to enjoy just a casual game or a multiplayer competitive one, visit the IX Arena. IX Arena is funded by revenues generated from Marketplace and Mission Control, and by playing the games, you have the chance to earn IXT. This provides an excellent opportunity for new players, as you can use your winnings to explore the full Planet IX experience in Marketplace, Mission Control, and IX Foundation. To find out more about Planet IX and start playing, head over to planetix.com.
There, that's Planet IX for you, no? Within the gaming platform, ang dami pong paraan upang kumita ng malaki, and you get to earn in cryptocurrency, no? Yung IXT na tinatawag, no, na tumataas po yung value, no? So, a very good source of digital assets din po ang Planet IX. Now, as I've said, ang Planet IX po is the #1 Polygon blockchain-based strategy game sa buong mundo sa ngayon. The next product naman na gaming platform din where you can earn, no, yung tinatawag na Metaverse. It is in the pre-launching stage and I want you to watch this video as well dahil napaka-exciting din po nitong gaming platform na ito.
Enter a world where you call the shots, where you make the decisions, where you reap the benefits, where your trading skills are your superpowers. The most immersive virtual trading game in the multiverse. From a global crew of designers and the best game developers in the world. Learn, trade, interact, grow. Play to earn right now in real time. With powerful virtual trading portfolios. The game of the future. With the edge of crypto and the blockchain. It's the start of a revolutionary new world. The world of Metaverse. Your new superpower.
Isn't it exciting, no? And at the moment, no, some of our affiliates are already playing the Metaverse, meron pong playtest na nangyayari ngayon, no? Those who have the biggest package, yung tinatawag na unicorn package, are now inside the Metaverse testing on kung paano ba nilalaro yan, and some of them are already making money through cryptocurrency din ang ginagamit natin dyan. Okay, so both of them are using cryptocurrency, so the company thought they might as well, no, create their own cryptocurrency token. Kaya itong papakilala kong pong produkto sa inyo next is probably one of the most valuable product ng company, no? Probably one of the product na magiging flagship product ng ating company, no? Kaya very excited po tayong lahat dito. Before that, no, let me show you pa yung additional product natin na Travelia, no? This is a hotel booking engine, which is the #1 travel portal in the world para po itong booking.com. The only difference is you get a higher discount with Travelia, about up to 65% and even more, no? Depende kung ano yung subscription mo, no? At depende kung ano yung hotel na ibubook mo, di ba? So this Travelia have access to more than 800,000 hotels and accommodations worldwide, no? So makakatipid ka na, kaya mo nang afford yung mga suites, no, ng mga hotel, unlike before na laging economy rooms lang ang binubook natin, di ba? So yan po yung Travelia natin. And as I've mentioned earlier, no, yung cryptocurrency, we are now tapping into that industry. It's now our opportunity to take our place as pioneers doon sa cryptocurrency token na create ng ating company, and it is going to be launched very, very soon. Ito po yung sinasabi ko sa invitation natin that something big is about to launch, no? So C1 token. No, bakit ba naisip ng company na pumasok sa cryptocurrency? Let's just look at the power of the cryptocurrency, particularly yung Bitcoin, no? I'm sure most of you na-offera na mag-invest sa Bitcoin way back before 2008 or 2009, no? Pero hindi tayo nag-invest, natakot tayo, sabi natin scam yan, no? Let's look at the value of Bitcoin in 2009, $0.001. So, napakamura po, no? Kaya kung bumili tayo ng isang Bitcoin noon, dapat multimillionaire na tayo ngayon dahil after 14 years, no? Ano na ngayon, 2023, ang value na po ng Bitcoin ay $40,000, di ba? So kung gumastos ka ng $0.001 in 2009, meron ka na sanang $40,000 ngayon, no? And it is predicted according to this chart na by 2030 aabot po hanggang $100,000 po ang value po ng Bitcoin, no? So very powerful na ang cryptocurrency. Ngayon pwede ka nang mamili, mag-shopping gamit ang cryptocurrency, no? So the company thought we need to tap into this big industry. So again, we need to get ready for the launching of the C1 token. Dapat magkaroon ka na ng mga C1 token mo, and the only way you can have those C1 token is by being part of this business opportunity, no? By having those powerful packages na nakita nyo when we were beginning, no? Yung 4 na malalaking packages na yan. So ang C1 token natin is expected to become #1 Polygon blockchain based na cryptocurrency, no? Yan po ang goal ng ating company. We're also expected to become one of the top 5 cryptocurrency after Bitcoin and Ethereum. Bakit kamo? Dahil meron na po tayong captive market, no? Dahil sa more than 50 million members ng ating company who are ready to utilize this cryptocurrency token, lalo na paglabas nung another product natin na C1 wallet, di ba? So, how do you own a C1 token? Kailangan lang you own the NFT element packages natin. Merong earth, merong air, merong water, merong fire. Ito yung magdadala sa inyo sa industry ng Web3, ng crypto, ng blockchain at ng metaverse. So ano nga ba yung mga packages na yan, no? Pag-usapan natin. Yung Earth package natin, meron niyang laman na iba't ibang produkto at serbisyo from the company. Magkakaroon ka na rin ng NFT, yung non-fungible token na Earth NFT. Plus you'll get certain number of C1 tokens for only 129 euros or 8 to 9,000 pesos, no? So yan lang po ang puhunan natin dito sa negosyo. Kaya sabi ko nung simula, di ba? Hindi mo kailangan ng malaking puhunan. With your 8 to 9,000 pesos, pwede ka na magsimula, pwede ka na kumita ng limpak-limpak dito sa negosyo na to. Pero pwede ka rin magsimula on a bigger package if you want if you want a supersonic speed dito sa negosyo na to, no? Nandiyan po yung air package natin for 319 euros or 20 to 22,000 pesos. Meron kang dalawang NFT including the air NFT. Meron kang more numbers of C1 token dito plus the other products and services natin. Water package will give you 3 NFT, no? Tapos, of course, more C1 token at yung Metaverse package mo dito, mas malaki na yung tinatawag na scale up, no? This is only for 819 euros or 50 to 55,000 pesos. And lastly, nandyan po yung Fire package natin for 2,519 euros or 150 to 160,000 pesos kung talagang business-minded ka, no? Ito ang kukunin mong package dahil makukuha mo yung 4 na makapangyarihang NFT natin, the Earth, the Air, the Water, and the Fire. Plus, you get the maximum number of C1 token and a bigger package sa Metaverse, yung tinatawag na Powerhouse, no? So, yan po yung 4 na malalaking package na pwede nating bilhin from the company, no? Para masimulan natin itong negosyo na to. If you are to ask me, Kuya Paul, ano bang pinakamagandang package? I would definitely recommend for you to have the Fire package because pag meron kang Fire package, no, yan yung pinakamalaki, you can maximize your potential income. Pero kung hindi mo kaya, no, meron kang problema sa budget, it's better to start on the smallest package, Earth, for 129 euros. Don't worry, pagka kumikita ka na later on, pwede ka mag-upgrade to any bigger package that you want, no? While you are doing the business opportunity. Okay? So, yan po yung 4 na packages natin. Now, the company is so generous na binigyan tayo nitong promotion na to, no? Yung free upgrade promotion. Anong ibig sabihin yan? Until January 5, pagka bumili tayo ng Earth package, ang ibibigay sa atin ng company yung Air package. E di ang laki ng natipid natin, di ba? Pagka Air naman ang binayaran natin, ang ibibigay sa atin yung Water. Pagka kumuha tayo ng Water package, ang bibigay sa atin yung Fire. Pagka bumili tayo ng Fire package, bibigyan pa tayo ng limited edition na NFT package ng company, yung tinatawag na Fifth Element package na magbibigay sa iyo ng pinakamalaking package ng Metaverse, magbibigay sa iyo ng 2 legendary NFT, no? So mas marami ka pang makukuhang benefits with your Fifth Element package. But this is only until January 5, kaya you have to hurry up, take advantage of this great promotion from the company. Now, ilang C1 token ba ang makukuha ko, no? Dun sa package na bibili natin, no? So depende kung anong package ang binili mo. If you purchase an Earth package, ang makukuha mong C1 token ay 1,000 C1 tokens. Pag Air package, you get 2,500. Pagka Water package, you get 7,500. Pagka Fire package, you get 20,000 C1 tokens. Pagka Fifth Element package ang meron ka, ang makukuha mo ay 35,000 C1 tokens, no? So, tingnan natin, no? I want you to use your imagination, no? Halimbawa, no? Pagka nilaunch ang C1 token, maliit pang value. Parang Bitcoin, di ba? Nilaunch siya 0.001 of a dollars lang, di ba? Sabihin natin dito, wag na dollar, piso na lang yung value ng C1 token pag nilaunch ito. Piso, di ba? Kung meron kang 1,000 C1 token, meron ka ng 1,000 pesos. Di ba? Tama? Pero sasabihin mo, maliit lang yan. No? But I want you to look at what happened to Bitcoin after several years, di ba? Naging $40,000 in 2023. E paano kung halimbawa next year o kaya in 2 years time, naging $1 na yung value ng C1 token? E di meron kang $1,000. Kung meron kang Air package, meron kang $2,500. Kung meron kang Water package, $7,500. Kung meron kang Fire package, that's $20,000. If you have the Fifth Element package, you'll have $35,000, no? Pag nalaman pa natin yung value ng C1 token na yan, di ba? Paano kung tumaas pa yan in 5 years time, no? To $10 or even to $100. Yung C1, yung Bitcoin nga umabot ng $40,000, di ba? So very exciting, no? The future of C1 token is very bright. Now, for those of you who have joined the company way back in 2019, naalala nyo ba, nagko-collect tayo ng mga crowd one rewards, nagko-collect tayo ng mga loyalty points, di ba? Tapos hindi natin alam kung kailan ba magiging pera yung mga crowd one rewards and loyalty points na yan. Now is the time, no? Those crowd one rewards and loyalty points will be converted by the company into C1 token, no? Hindi lang yan, no? So, 2019, 2020, 2021, 2022, pag meron kang C1 rewards, so loyalty points, lahat yan, mababurn and mako-convert into C1 token. So, it's a great opportunity for everyone. Now, if you don't own an element package, yung mga Earth, Air, Water, no? Tsaka yung Fire, since from November 22, nung last month, no? Kung wala ka pa ring element package hanggang ngayon, meron kang 3 options para ma-claim mo yung mga ma-convert mo yung crowd one rewards and loyalty points mo to C1 token. Ang unang option mo, libre, wala ka nang babayaran, no? Kasi sasabihin mo na naman, maglalabas na naman akong pera. O ito, libre, bibigay sa'yo ng company, no? Mako-convert yung C1 rewards mo or loyalty points into C1 token, pero doon sa first option, 10% lang ng C1 token base value ang makukuha mo. Okay? Pero merong second option. By paying only 19 euros, dahil lahat naman nagbabayad ng 19 euros na administrative fee, di ba? So pag nagbayad ka ng 19 euros, you will get the full amount of your C1 token, no, from the conversion ng C1 rewards at loyalty points mo. At hindi lang yan, dodoblihin pa yan ng company. So twice the base value ng C1 token mo ang iyong makukuha. Pero merong mas magandang option, yung third option natin, no? Mag-upgrade ka to an element package and also pay the administrative fee of 19 euros. Alam mo ba, na depende sa package mo, bibigyan ka ng company ng mas malaking multiplier, no? Pag meron kang Earth package, the company multiplies your C1 token by 3. Pagka Air package ka, the company multiplies your C1 token base value 4 times. Pag water package ka, they multiply your C1 token base value by 6 times. Pagka fire package ka, 8 times. Pagka fifth element package ka, 10 times. So, a lot of C1 tokens ang mapapa sa kamay mo, no? Tapos, i-convert natin yan into cash later on, di ba? Ito pa, other ways para makapag-generate tayo ng C1 token within the business. Itong referral club competition natin, no? Yung company nag-alat ng 50 million C1 tokens. Hahatiin niya yung 51 million C1 tokens na yan sa top 1,000 na makakapag-sign up ng mga bagong members dito sa ating C1 business. So, ito ang distribution natin. Pag 751 to 1,000 place ka, bibigyan ka ng company ng 15,000 C1 tokens, no? Pag 501 to 750, 20,000. Pagka 251st to 500, 25,000. 101st to 250, 50,000. Pero pag 11th place ka to 100 place, top 100, 100,000 C1 token ka. Pero pag pumasok ka sa top 10, ibang klase na ang labanan dyan. Dahil pag top 10 ka, 500,000 C1 token, 9th place, 600, 700 sa 8th place, 800,000 sa 7th place, 900,000 sa 6th place, top 5 million na ang makukuha mong C1 token. 1 million for the 5th place, 2 million for the 4th place, 3 million for the 3rd place, 4 million for the 2nd place, and 5 million C1 tokens for the 1st place. Imagine kung meron kang 5 million C1 token, tapos ang value piso, edi meron kang 5 million, di ba? Di ba? Exciting. Gamitin nyo po yung imagination natin, di ba? Now, there are other ways para kumita dito sa negosyo natin, no? Di ba merong referral club? Based on the referral club, babayaran din tayo ng company, no, ng tinatawag na sales bonus, ng crowd bonus, ng matching bonus, saka ng residual bonus. Ano nga ba yung sales bonus? Ito yung bonus na binabayad ng company for every products and services na natutulungan natin ng company to distribute, no, based on the sales of the products and services. Halimbawa, may nag-subscribe dun sa Planet TIX or Travalia, no? Pangalawa, yung crowd bonus, no? Ito na yung referrals natin. Yung mga referrals natin, hahatiin ng company into 2 groups, left and right yan, no? For every matching referrals, at depende kung anong package ang binili nila, babayaran din tayo ng company in the form of Bitcoins. Lahat ng bayad dito, puro Bitcoin, okay? Matching bonus, babayaran tayo ng company ng 10% based on the income ng mga taong ni-refer natin directly dito sa negosyo na to. Kung magkanong income nila, meron kang 10%. So kung tulungan mo sila na kumita na mas malaki yung matching bonus natin. Again, you earn in Bitcoin share. Ito yung pinakamalupit, yung residual bonus. 1-1, bibigyan tayo ng company ng residual bonus, depende kung anong rango na yun na-achieve natin dito sa negosyo. Merong team leader, merong coordinator, merong manager, merong director, merong president, senior president hanggang ambassador level, no? So, mas mataas ang posisyon mo, mas malaki yung babayaran sa'yo ng company on a monthly basis dito. Dito kumikita naman tayo based on profit sharing. Kung magkano man kinita ng company sa buong mundo, hahatiin yan sa ating lahat. Depende kung ano yung rango mo. Again, mas mataas ang rango mo, mas malaki yung makukuha mo on a monthly basis. Okay? So, yan po yung highlight ng ating compensation plan. Now, the other ways para makapag-generate tayo ng more Z1 token, yung double bonus reward natin, ibig sabihin, kada binary bonus o crowd bonus na kikitain natin, tatapatan ng company ng C1 token yan. So, madodoble yan, di ba? Another way, no? Mag-create tayo ng mga leaders sa ating organization. Pagka nagkaroon ka ng team leader in your organization,
babayaran ka ng company ng 500 extra C1 token on top of what you earn in Bitcoins, no? So 500 extra C1 token. So kung meron kang 5 team leader 1 in your group, edi meron kang 2,500 C1 token. Kung 10 yan, meron kang 5,000 extra C1 tokens, di ba? Another way para so yan yung tatlong paraan, no, para makapag-generate tayo ng more C1 tokens. You have the 50 million referral club competition, pangalawa yung double bonus reward natin, at pangatlo, mag-create ka ng mga team leader in your organization, no? So a lot of ways para magparami tayo ng C1 token natin. Okay? Now, for us to earn all those passive income, kailangan tinutulungan din natin yung company. Kailangan magkaroon tayo ng activity points na tinatawag. Ano ba yung activity points? Yun yung points na naiipon natin habang bumibili tayo ng mga produkto at serbisyo ng company, no? So, sabi ko nga, this is a business, negosyo ng company, partner tayo, negosyo na rin natin to, no? So, yung mga produkto have to move or nobody gets paid. Di ba? Kung hindi madidistribute yung mga products and services ng company, edi wala tayong negosyo, wala din tayong kita, no? So, nire-require tayo ng activity points. But don't you worry, dahil maliit lang naman yung activity points na nire-require sa atin ng company. It also depends in your rank or your network leadership level. Pagka mababa pa yung level mo, maliit lang ang requirement mo. Pagka tumataas na yung requirement mo, di ba? Ngayon, pagka team leader 1 ka to team leader 3, 5 activity points lang ang nire-require ng ating company. Personal, no? 5 activity points lang. Pero meron pang isang requirement, yung group activity points na tinatawag. Ang maganda dito, pag team leader 1 to team leader 3 ka, the same lang yung requirement, 5 pa rin. So enough na yung personal activity points mo, no? Pagka coordinator ka naman to coordinator 3, ganun pa rin, 5 activity points personal at 5 activity points din group activity points. Pero pag manager ka, up to manager 3, 10 activity points na yung group na activity points na required. Pagka director ka naman, 15, pataas ng pataas hanggang umabot ng 30 activity points group, no? Pero yung constant dito, 5 activity points lang, yung personal na AP required para sa atin. Okay? Ang kagandahan pa nito, until January 15. Okay? Until January 15, pagka team leader ka, to manager 3 stars ka, hindi ka na nire-require ng company na magkaroon ng activity points, no? For a limited period of time until 15 of January. Kaya kung magsisimula ka ngayon, no? Paspasan mo na. Hindi mo kailangan bumili ng produkto at serbisyo, hindi mo kailangan magbenta, no? So, hanggang January 15 po yan. Pero after January 15, mababago po yan. Baka i-require na uli tayo ng company ng at least 5 activity points to get all our bonuses. Okay? So, paano ba tayo magkakaroon ng activity points? Number 1, pwede kang mag-subscribe dun sa AstroCup MetaShares natin. Pwedeng 1 month, pwedeng 6 months, pag 12 months, the longer, the better, the cheaper, no? Pagka 1 month lang, meron kang magbabayad ka ng 19 euros, you get 5 activity points already, pero you get other things like you get residual bonus, you get direct sales bonus, you get 50 rank points dyan, tapos meron ka pang 3 Astro Capital MetaShares na magge-generate din ng income para sa iyo. Pero pagka 6 months ang kinuha mo, meron kang 20 MetaShares, no? Meron kang 30 activity points dyan. Pagka yung 12 months naman, you get 50 MetaShares, you get 60 activity points, which means for the next 12 months, hindi mo na problema yung activity points mo, di ba? Another way to generate activity points, no, by subscribing to Travelia, no? If you subscribe for 1 month, meron kang magbabayad ka ng 59 euros. Pag 6 months naman, 269 euros. Pag 12 months, cheaper, 529 euros, no? And then you can get the incredible discounts at over 800,000 hotels worldwide. Another generosity from the company, meron tayong incentive trip for 2024, no? For you to qualify here, kailangan from 9th of October to 10th of January, makapag-sign up tayo ng mga bagong members or makapag-upgrade ng mga old members into the water package, fire package, or fifth element package natin, no? At least 5 para mag-qualify ka dyan. Mas marami, mas malaki ang chance mo na makasama dun sa incentive trip na yan. Okay? So, no, tingnan natin yung roadmap natin into the official launching ng ating token, no? Nangyari na po yung stage 1 natin. Everybody can now claim your airdrops ng C1 token. Malalaman nyo na kung ilang C1 tokens na multiply yung mga C1 tokens nyo, mako-convert na yung C1 rewards and loyalty points nyo, no? And then, papasok na tayo dun sa stage 2 by January 15, no? Yan na yung cut-off date para ma-claim nyo. Kaya kung hindi pa kayo nakaka-claim ng airdrop C1 token nyo, claim it, no? Hanggang January 15 na lang po yan. Tapos pagpasok ng stage 3, yan na yung official token launch natin between January to March. Yan po yung bullish market pagdating sa cryptocurrency, no? So, papasok na rin tayo dun sa DEX listing, integrate na rin yung ating C1 Web3 wallet na malapit na rin i-launch ng company, no? And i-launch na rin po yung mga staking pools natin para yung C1 token natin kumita na kagad ng profit yan, no? And then stage 4, yan na po yung papasok na po yung C1 token natin into the ecosystem. Papasok na po yung C1 token natin sa global cryptocurrency exchange natin, no? So makikita niyo na yan sa mga Binance, no? At sa mga major na mga C1 ng mga cryptocurrency wallets natin all over the world. Okay? So very very exciting po. Kaya wag po tayo magpatumpik-tumpik, wag natin hintayin yung launching. Ngayon pa lang mag-ipon na tayo ng maraming C1 token natin, no? Again, the airdrop claim has already started. Pwede niyo na pong i-claim yung mga C1 token nyo. So I hope, no, I've given you enough information for you to understand how this business works. Pero kung if it's not enough, nandiyan araw-araw po meron din po tayo mga webinars and trainings, no? Ako po ay conduct my webinars on a weekly basis. Nandiyan din po sina Director Eddie Onya, Coach Danny, si Sir Anton, no? Who are conducting trainings and updates on a daily basis, no? Nandiyan po yung meron tayong mga tutorials sa YouTube. Everyday meron tayong Zoom, plus of course a lot of information that you can gather from your C1 dashboard, plus yung mga educational platforms natin, no? So wag mo sabihin hindi mo linya, dahil ako hindi ko rin linya to. I graduated as a nurse, no? Basically nursing po yung profession ko. Wala po ako alam sa ganitong klase negosyo, but it didn't take me a lot of time to understand what this business is all about. Kayang-kaya po ng lahat yan. Okay? Now, let me tell you how you will get started. Unang-una, you have to join the business, of course, no? Magpapadala sa inyo ng invitation link or QR code yung taong nag-invite sa inyo sa negosyo na to. And then you sign up, no? Tapos i-share mo yung mga products and services natin. I-share din natin itong business opportunity, no? Invite mo sila sa mga webinars natin, and if they join, then they'll be part of your organization, no? Mag-invite ka, mag-build ka ng team of business partners mo. And number 4, get rewarded. There are a lot of incentives and bonuses that are waiting for you if you become an active and productive affiliate of C1. Let me give you also some tips kung paano ka magsasucceed dito sa negosyo na to. Number 1, choose the right package para sa'yo, no? Kung meron kang pera, huwag ka nang magpatumpik-tumpik, huwag ka nang second thought pa na kumuha ng pinakamalaking package. Pero kung may problema ka sa pera, ang kaya mo lang i-afford yung Earth package, then go for the Earth package and then mag-upgrade ka na lang later on pagka kumikita ka na, no? Kung wala kang pera, gawan mo na ng paraan, no? Kung gusto mo talagang magkaroon ng pagbabago sa buhay mo, you have to do something about it, di ba? Number 2, activate your wallet and products. Number 3, go for your fear of loss bonus. This is another bonus na binibigay sa atin ng company within our first 14 days sa negosyo. Pagka nakakuha ka ng 4 na new members within your 14 days, no, you are in store for an instant cash reward from the company na didiretso doon sa wallet mo, no? At if you are able to instill the same culture dun sa organization mo, lahat sila makakuha din ng 4 within 14 days. Alam mo ba that within 3 months time lang or 90 days, pwede kang kumita ng first million mo dito sa negosyo na to. Number 4, contact your key people. Niisip mo, sino bang pwede kong imbitahin dito sa negosyo na to? Marami. Do not discriminate. Do not judge. Bawal ang judgmental dito, no? Huwag mo sabihin na, itong kaibigan ko, walang pera to, hindi to pwede sa negosyo na to. No? Ano bang gusto ng walang pera? Gusto nila magkaroon ng maraming pera, di ba? Kaya they will grab business opportunities like this, no? Huwag mo rin sabihin na itong kaibigan ko napakayaman na nito, may kotse. Mga mayayaman gusto pa magpayaman, no? Kaya i-offer din natin itong opportunity na to. So huwag kang mag-discriminate, no? Don't be judgmental. Anybody in your community, anybody in your school, anybody in your university, anybody in your church, anybody in your Facebook account, in your Instagram, in your Twitter, in your thread, no, in your X, Twitter, di ba? Lahat yan, mga prospect natin dito sa negosyo na to. Number 5, attend webinars and events like this, no? Invite nyo sila dahil ito yung way natin to build your own organization. At importante, yung duplication. Anong ibig sabihin niyan? Kung nagagawa mo yung 5 steps na yan, ipagawa mo din dun sa mga tao invite mo dito sa negosyo. At lahat yan, pagka ginawa nila yung 5 steps na yan, no, you'll be able to build a huge and stable organization that will determine the size of your income dito sa negosyo na to. The bigger your organization is, the more leaders you have, the more income you will make in this business, which will lead you, no, to our financial independence, yung time freedom. Biro mo, may pera ka na, may oras ka pa. Hindi mo na kailangan magtrabaho ng 30 to 40 years, no? 5 years time lang, baka makapag-retire ka na financially, no? And then you can start spending your time for the more important things in life, di ba? Ako, naniniwala po ako na ang mga tao, hindi tayo pinanganak upang magtrabaho habang buhay, no? We were born to enjoy life and working should only be a part of it, no? Pero ang nangyayari, meron tayong full-time job, part-time life lang, no? Part-time lang yung buhay natin. Dapat ang gawin natin, full-time life, part-time job. Diba? So, let me close our presentation with this. No? Sabi ni Richard Branson, if somebody offers you an amazing opportunity, but you are not sure you can do it, say yes. Ang iba sa inyo, they will grab this opportunity by the neck. Ano bang mawawala sa inyo, di ba? 7 to 8,000 pesos. No, wala yan. Hindi mo mawawala yan dahil meron kang mga products and services na makukuha ng pakikinabangan mo at pwede mong pagkakitaan on its own. So there's nothing to lose in this business. No? That's one question that I had in my mind nung nagsimula ako dito. Pangalawang question ko, what's in it for me? Paano ko mag-work yung negosyo? No? What's in it for me? No? I can achieve financial freedom and I can achieve time freedom. No? Para naman sa iba sa inyo na meron pang gustong pag-isipan, no, mga pagdaduda sa inyong isip, no, then you're not the type of Richard Branson, you're not the type of Mark Zuckerberg, you're not the type of Elon Musk, no, yung mga ito pag nakakita ng opportunity they grab it by the neck, no. Ako meron din akong questions nung nag-attend ako ng webinar like this, pero I did not let those questions stop me from starting this business, kasi alam ko that in this kind of business, yung positioning and timing is very, very critical. At that time that I was attending the webinar, lumilipat na yung iniisip ko kung sino yung mga gusto kong invite dito sa negosyo na to. Pero alam ko din na pagka nagpatumpik-tumpik ako, maghintay ako ng 1 week, maghintay ako ng 2 weeks, ng 3 weeks, hanggang masagot ng lahat ng katanungan ko, yung mga naiisip kong tao, baka na-invite na ng iba. No, baka nakapasok na sila dito sa negosyo before me, di ba? Kaya very important po yung positioning and timing. Pumosisyon ka na habang pinag-aaralan mo yung negosyo, no? Malay mo mag-benefit ka pa doon sa mga referrals ng mga nag-invite sa iyo, di ba? So, nandiyan po yung ating opportunity brought to you by C1, no? At ngayon po is the opportunity to build the tomorrow that you want. Ang tanong na lang po dyan, anong klaseng bukas ba ang gusto mo para sa iyo at para sa pamilya mo? No? Suggestion ko, get started na. Huwag na kayong magpatumpik-tumpik. Maraming salamat po for joining us today and I hope na nabigyan ko po kayo ng something to be excited about, something to think about before you go to sleep tonight. At tomorrow, pagka nasa isip mo pa rin itong negosyo na to, then it's time to get started. Maraming salamat po at magandang umaga po muli sa inyong lahat.
Ayan, thank you po Sir Paul.